Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel not to skip my future tutorials. In today's video we will learn how to create freshwater pearl earrings with the chain. For it you will need freshwater pearls, soft wire, I have 4 millimeters, chain, freshwater pearls, head pins, I have leatherback clasps and pliers. Let's start. Take around half a meter of wire. Find the middle of the wire and with the help of round nose pliers we will create a loop. Our loop is ready, and now take 4 freshwater pearls. Take second piece of the wire and pass through the freshwater pearls from the other side. And now you pull wires to the both sides. Try to do it equally from each side, as we need our loop in the middle. Hold it this way and pull to the both sides. Then you can press your wire next to our freshwater pearls, this way. Now take 3 freshwater pearls bend it and pass through them again with the second wire. And pull from the both sides. This way. Now take 2 again, bend and pass through them again. Sometimes you will need to help yourself with the pliers. And pull. Now we take last freshwater pearl and pull. Now bend our wire in the middle of our last freshwater pearl and start to scroll our wire. Take your round nose pliers and make a loop, hold it, and then you start to scroll your wire around the loop, and we go a bit more up to our pearl. and then you go back up. We cut our extra wire and we press it to make it smooth. Our base is ready. Now we will attach our chains. Attach it in between the pearls. Our chains are attached, and now we will start to decorate ends of the chain, and I will add one more freshwater pearl here. For it you will need freshwater pearls and head pins. Just take our head pins and insert them in every freshwater pearl. For the first freshwater pearl, which will be here in the middle, we will just bend our head pin, then we will cut a bit extra, and we create a small loop. Don't close it. Attach it in the middle here and close the loop. Make sure it is closed, or otherwise it can fall down from this loop. For chain ends, we will do a bit different. We will just bend our head pins, and we won't cut any of this head pin. We will just create a loop which is fully closed. Bend and create the loop. Again, bend and create the loop. Now take our base. I will open each chain in the end and attach one freshwater pearl. We almost finished our earring. We just need to attach our clasp. For it, just open your clasp here and attach it to our loop. Our earrings are ready. I hope you liked this tutorial. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting tips and tutorials, and of course don't forget to leave a comment below this video if you have any questions or suggestions to my channel. Thank you for your time, for being here and watching this video. Have a nice day!